All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back from the Labor Day weekend. Hope you guys are not hungover. Just kidding. All right. Good, good morning. Good morning. Pile on in, man. What's going on with you guys? Let me know you're doing well. You're blessed. You're healthy. And your portfolio is green this morning so far. Nice pre-market. Pretty quiet so far. I haven't done any trades except I'll talk about a few that I'm looking at today. And here come Tesla. Tesla, I think they got news this morning or over the weekend regarding Germany subsidies from the German government. So here we are. It's breaking out over $740. And it's just, let's see if we can hop over. I think today's the day. My original target was 750, 785. If it can hop over 750, it's definitely going to go to 785. And so it looks like this pre-market's warming up right now. 742 is the number to break here, and we're getting pretty close. So Tesla's going to be going on a tear, and it's been held down pretty well. So, watch out for Tesla today. SNMP, I want to talk about that one. So we played this back last month or so, went to nearly $2 and fell back under $1. It was just crazy. So right now, I'm looking at I'll hop over to daily chart. Looks pretty good for a continuation. Definitely want to see 126 or more this morning and a nice move back. I'm kind of targeting 1.5. I got in this morning under 120. So back on SNMP for a swing. So that's what we're doing. So just hanging out with that. SPRT, for those of you that don't know, this stock is still heavily shorted, about 60% short interest, short float, sorry. So I'm looking at the daily chart. Looks like we're starting to curl a little bit. And the $20 line, 20.99 line should hold. So if that holds, then I think we're pretty good for another run. Now, they do have merger this Friday, so we'll see what happens with that one. So I'm still hanging out with support.com. And of course, Amazon is doing a daily flag on my chart so far. Looks really good. Holding well over 34.50s. Okay. And looking for a nice breakout. And yes, absolutely. I think 3600s are in the near future. All right. So let's see what else I got. Sava AMC. Okay. So if you guys haven't seen lately, AMC looks like it's going to break out here. And it looks just like the same chart with GME. So, kind of low volume right now. However, they at least GME GameStop has earnings this Wednesday, so I'm kind of looking forward to that. Still hanging on to my calls for time being, and of course, Sava is making a new low this morning. All right, it hit 46, hit right under 40, about $46 this morning, and so see a little bit of bounce here, but I still think that Sava can see 31 or 30s. So I'm going to stay short and bearish on that particular one. All right, so that's it for me. What's going on with you guys? Go ahead, feel free, drop a ticker. What's happening with you? What are you watching? What's the next big squeeze? I hear VIH is the next big squeeze. I'm not sure, but doesn't look like it right now. But hungover, but Lucid 97 cars delivered to the kingdom. Okay, good to know. I didn't know that. All right. Tesla, let's see. Whew, Tesla 742 now. Look at that breakout on Tesla, man. Tesla's going to be good. Time to grab some long calls here, gentlemen. I think we're going to the moon. 800 and 900 is entirely possible. It's not going to be a straight shot, but it's going to be, it looks like Tesla can have a pretty good day. Just beware. Whenever Tesla runs in a pre-market, it tends to dump or flush at the open and then run again. So just be careful there. But Tesla's looking really good this morning. So thank God it's breaking out finally. All right. So yeah, Apple's like looking like it wants to go to 155. Lucid cannot hop over this $20 mark or $20 resistance. It's trying really, really hard. So we'll see what happens with Lucid. Lucid should be delivering the 577 cars this year on schedule, and that's what I've heard from people that I know. So we'll see what happens there. All right. What's up, Zeal? Good to see you again. Long time no see, buddy. All right. I'm not in HUT. I'm not. The Bitcoin dump this morning. Yeah, we're down to 50,000 again. It's interesting. So, the only minor plays that I really look at is BTBT. Of course, Mara. I don't look at Riot too much, but I still put my money on support.com with this merger and the mining play. And it's a green mining play, and that seems to be the thing right now. So I'll take my chances with sport. It looks like it gets volume, and the float looks pretty good to me. So I'll play with that. SBET hit $7.17 this morning. Congratulations to all. We'll see what happens with SBET. I really like the stock, and of course, DATS I'm going to be holding long term. So not too. I'm not going to get too crazy regarding the price action. I'm just going to sit on it. It looks pretty good so far. I mean, it broke out a bull flag a couple days ago, and it's coming back down a little bit. But, I still think this is a very viable technology company with great stuff happening. If you guys check out their investor deck, amazing, amazing technology, and something that I do believe other tech companies would be interested in, at least in acquiring, right? If you're a newbie, and you're asking me what you should put your money on, I would say, hey, you need to do some research. All right, get with someone a little bit, to guide you, to mentor you. Okay, I'm not going to tell you what to get into today. Good try. All right. No, I've been in sport. I got it in last Friday, during the day, so I held it over the weekend. Like I said, on sport, I suspect that the $20 line, $21 or $20 will hold. If that's the case, then we can see a nice turnaround here. Just need some volume, a little bit of hype. We'll see what happens with the news this morning. But 22, it seems like it wants to hold above 22 right now. So nice support. No pun intended, but nice support. So we'll see what happens there. So if I hop over to 2-hour chart, you can see why I entered this position. All right, 0.786 retracement holds. So therefore, I'm going to use that as my support at 21.34, or just let's just say $21. And so yeah, all right. I'm not in any positions with Disney, but man, I like Disney. Where is it at? 181. Okay. Excuse me. Look over at the daily chart. Looks pretty good to me. I mean, so I like I told everybody last week, right, or 2 weeks ago, this was going to break out over 182, and it finally did. Hit 185 nearly and got rejected. So what's looking nice here is that at least you have a higher low and a higher high on the move. So there's no reason why Disney shouldn't be a $200 stock. It just gets held down quite a bit here. And of course, everything's reopening, right? I mean, the Delta variant, at least all that in the news, has kind of calmed down a little bit. So Disney should be fun. All right. Yes, Upstart. This is a crazy stock. I alerted our Patreon community back at when it was 170, and we ran it to like over 220. And of course, this thing has showing no stop. I mean, it's just the strength on this is just crazy. Yeah. So if I look at fib extensions, you're looking at potentially $296, right? That's the 2.236 extension, and that would be amazing. However, you don't want to catch yourself or find yourself at the top, and we don't know where the top is right now, so it becomes a little riskier play. So just be careful. All right. Seems like there's there's more risk to the downside on UPST, on Upstart, versus the upside. So play accordingly. Yep. GoCo. Yeah. Nothing happening with GoCo for now. All right. VIH. I don't know what's everybody tweeting me about VIH this morning or over the weekend, because their short is like 40% or something like that. Right now it's 11:45. Let me take away the fibs here. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't. I mean, I know about the company. It's got a great management team. Obviously, it's a kind of a Bitcoin sympathy play. But I mean, I don't know. I don't understand the hype around it yet. So no feel, no position for me there yet, unless something turns around, and it looks attractive. It's a SPAC too. Okay, so last year every SPAC ran past 15, right? This year every SPAC can't get out of like $12 or even $10 or even $11. All right. So I would just be careful as far as the risk and rewards there. But yeah, it is low risk, right? I mean, the worst it can do is go back to 10, correct? Right. Okay, so that's it. I'm done for this pre-market prep, and thank you guys for tuning in. And just so you know, just several spots on our Patreon community. I think 2 or 3. So if you're looking for some mentorship, you're looking for guidance, you're looking for a team to support you in your endeavors, please visit my link in the profile. And again, just a few more spots. All right. Okay, guys, that is the pre-market prep, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. All right. Have a great day and stay safe out there.